Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 21. If we start with this box, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got a 7 covering these two boxes, so our 7 must be here. 2 here, so 4, 2. For this row, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 3. But I don't see any other help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 8. I don't see any help, so 3, 8, 3, 8. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 covering these two boxes, so our 9 must be here. 2 here, so 5, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 covering these two boxes, so our 8 must be here. 7 here, so 1, 7. For this row now, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. No help here. 3, 6, 9. 6 here, so 3, 9. And no help here. 3, 6, 9. For this column, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 3, no help here, 2, 3, 6. 2 here, so 3, 6. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 7. 3 and 7 here, so this is our 5. And no help here, so 3, 7. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 6, 7, and 8. We've got 6, 7, and 8 here, so this is our 2. No help here. 6, 7, 8. 7 here, so 6, 8. 6 here, so 7, 8. But that 2 makes this our 3, 6, 2. For this top row now, we're missing 1 and 9. I don't see any help, so 1, 9, 1, 9. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, 8, and 9. We've got the 9 here, so 3, 6, 8. 6 and 9 here, so 3, 8. 3 here, so 6, 8, 9. 6 and 9 here, so 3, 8. But now if we look at that column, the only place the 9 can be is here. And the only place the 6 can be is here. Then we can get rid of the 6. That means that in this column, the only place the 6 can be is here. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. If we look at this row now, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 3, 7 here, so 8, 7. That 7 makes this our 8, 3, 7, 3, 8. And this 8 makes this our 3, 8. That 3 makes this our 9. Let's do some cleanup here. With that 9, we can get rid of this 9 and this 9. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. That 1 makes this our 9, 1. That 9 makes this our 6, 9. And that 6 makes this our 3 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.